Okay. So let's say we have this array. Okay.
Yes, 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 sir.
So what we are want? We want to find just next greater element which on the right side. So let's say we have one. We have to find a greater element than this one on the right side. If I get this thing, I'm just print out. Just I'm just going to traverse right side. We got 3, and 3 is greater than this one. So what I can do, I'm going to just print this into my output. And again, I'm just traversing these 3, and this
Yes,
I'm going to search a greater element than this 3 on the right side. So I'm traversing right side. If I get greater than this 3, so I'm just print this thing. So there is a 4. 4 is greater than this 3. So I'm
yes,
print
yes.
out. So now
Mm.
my pointer move on to these 2. What I have to do, I'm just searching greater than these 2 on the right side. If I get it, I'm going to print this greater element. And so in that case, I'm going to print 4. And when my pointer pointing to 4, and I'm not getting any greater element on right side, because there's no right side. So I'm just going to print -1 in that case. So I so I have this thing, 3, 4, 4, -1. You can store into the vector and then print the vector. You can return the vector.
Okay, okay. So I need to return the not just greater than, but it should be greater than at just
Right.
next, just next.
Yeah, just next on the right side.
So my basic approach, I am trying to solve this question using like I can traverse using double for loop. Now, first of all, I am like iterating one by one at each every element. While I
Mhm.
am my pointer at any of the element, I need to find the I need to iterate one more loop from the next element. While I am on the ith position, I need to
Mhm.
iterate from I plus 1 to till the size of the array. And till I'm
Mhm.
not finding that element, I'm just returning. I'm just moving ahead and ahead. While I'm finding that element, I'm just break the loop and store that value in my vector. This is
Correct.
the like basic and square approach. And
So what's the time complexity of this approach?
the time complexity, because I am iterating 2 times in that array,
Mhm.
I think that is big of n square. A little bit lesser because actually not n square because I'm just iterating on the right side only element. But it almost equals to big of n square.
It's fine. Yes. So do you did better than this approach? I want to the solution in the approximately ON.
Okay, okay,
So
okay. What I can do here is I can take a array like that, the size of the element which is given. Uh, I can store one more. I can use this thing like I am taking an array which is same element, which is same size as my array is given. I am just storing at each every of the element, like each every index, ith index. I am just storing the maximum element till that array, till that ith index. Can you get
hmm,
what I'm trying to say? Hello.
yes.
What I am doing that I am taking an vector which is the size is same as my given array. And what
Mhm.
I'm trying to do, I'm just taking the ith index and store one value which is like greater than till that index, greater value till that index. I'm just storing
Okay.
at that index.
Mhm.
Greater than from the right side, not greater,
Mhm.
but largest value from the right side. Like let's say I have like an array like that. I'm writing the new array for this array.
Okay.
I'm just writing like I'm writing from the right side, just like there is 4 here. Okay, can you see this array?
Yes.
So there is 4 here, so I need to return the maximum. 4 is here. While I'm on the 2 from the right side, the maximum element also 4 is here. Okay.
Mhm.
uh, while it is not also gonna work. I need to take this from the right side. I'm just taking from the left side. 1 till now, 3 till now, 3 till now, and 4 till now. Yes, this is my array I want to traverse. So I am again traversing that array while I'm at the index of 1. I need to find the maximum from the left side. What it is not also connected back, because while I am in ith position, it can be possible the greatest element come from the left side of that index. So
It might
that
be.
can, yeah, that cannot be an answer in such that case. So,
Mm, Okay. If it's possible, you can use any data structure, standard linear data structure you can use. It might be gonna easy for you to implement this.
and, the set here, just like in this. I'm just taking set, and while I'm storing all element here, how can I find the only total element? Just let's run the lesser time. Should I have? I can take a set. Let's say taking a set and just storing all the element while I'm at the one to while I'm at the one position, I need to find the latest element on the right side with the minimum position. Now the minimum index we have to find the greatest element. Yes. For the minimum position, I need to find the greatest element. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. I need to find the minimum, like no minimum index, which is greater value than the curve. is less than 1, index 2 is less than 2, index 4 is less than 3, index. Can you find that element? I'm just taking a map vector like
Okay. Do you want to take a map? So how could you proceed?
at one index is
Mhm.
at index 0 is equals to 1. At index 1 is equals to 3. Equals to and here is 4. Yes. So that inserting all my values in my map. While I'm at index 0, I need to find the greater element which is minimum index. Okay.
Mhm.
Greater element with minimum index. Let's say this condition will happen. Just going to put minimum index. Can I drink some water?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Can you give me a little bit hint?
Sorry, sorry, what do you think?
Can you give
Okay.
me a little bit hint? I don't know.
Yes, 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 sure.
Little,
Uh, If it's possible, you can use some linear data structure like stack, queue, something like that. If you use, it can be might better for to checking the greater next greater element and try to iterate from the right side. Means backside, if you try to do, it might be better for you because you know my first element of the left right side it's -1 means your potential answer is -1, so you can get some hint from that.
Okay, okay, okay. I'm just trying. Let's say this is 1, 3, 2, 4. I'm just at the index 4. And I need to find the next greater for the 4 on the right side only. So always for the last element the answer will be -1.
Mhm.
Okay,
Mhm.
from the next element from the right side is there is 2, and I need to print the next greater element. I'm just storing that value in my priority queue. I'm just inserting max priority queue, like I'm just taking at inserting in a priority queue which is uh, taking 4. Okay, so I'm just taking like the topmost element which is 4. Okay,
Mhm.
I'm just printing that in my for my second element, and again I am inserting my 2 in my priority queue. I have inserted 2 in my priority queue. Also the maximum element in here also is 4. Okay, now I am at the value of 3. What I'm thinking, what is the maximum element till this element is? It is still 4. I'm right on 4 here. Okay. Again, I'm inserting that value in my array, like priority queue. Still, the maximum element is 4 here. But I need to if it is 0 here, that's what I have to do. Let's say 1 is here and 0 is here, 2 is here, and 4 is here. While I'm iterating from the right side, I write down 1 -1 for it is, and my priority queue, the maximum element also 4 here. Then I'm writing 4 for second element. While I'm here, I need to 0. What I have to do, I have to write down the maximum element to the right side. Maximum element, just maximum element.
To change your mindset, priority queue to stack. You can use the stack tool. Priority queue is little not working properly. In that scenario, you have to use stack and think again this thing. You can get some idea.
I'm just using stack, and then what I have to do, I have to insert 4 here, and then I take two here in my stack, and while I'm at 0, I need to find the topmost element. Topmost element is 2. Then I'm directly return that 2 here also. And now I'm inserted 0 also in my stack. And my stack is now like 0, 2, and 4. Okay. So while I'm at the 1, my topmost element is 0. Then I need to remove this 0 from here, because at the 0, if some element is came here, why I'm removing actually 0 is while if any element like which is lesser than also 0, then it is always not given any answer, because the previous element is also greater than it.
Okay.
So it is already given like previously answer. So I need to remove. So this is 0 is not gonna help anymore in my next step, any next step. Okay, because the previous element is greater than 0. That's why I'm just remove this 0. Okay. I'm checking now that 2 is also greater than or not. Okay, so 2 is, I find that 2 is just greater than. Then I just printed that 2 here. I think this is like work, but it is also like not actual bigger of n.
Sorry.
But I think it is this answer is also not actual bigger of n solution, I believe.
It's near.
If I take any like
In the worst case, it's on square, but in the average, in on time, it's in the in the in the
average.
in worst case it's on square, but in average case it's on. So working on the average case is better than the previous approaches.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
so
Then
go
it is,
ahead, just implement. Okay.
I had to implement this. Yes. Yes. Hello.
Yes.
I need to implement this question. Yes. I'm just taking a step. I'm just writing the code. Yes.
Just please do it.
I'm just returning a vector.
Mhm.
The solve function, I am just using that. You can take any name as function name. I'm just taking the solve. I have given a vector. Make it size name. I need to take a vector answer. Which is also good. I need to also take a stack. So I'm just taking. While I'm iterating for all the elements, from int I equals to n minus 1 to I greater than equals to 0, I minus minus. Okay. If If I is equals to, if I is I'm just initially I'm just inserting in my answer is -1 because always for the last element answer is -1. I'm just using pushback well like
Yes.
as
Okay.
PB. Okay, I'm just
That's
writing
fine.
here using
Okay, no needed to write the define command.
PB equals to it should be smaller. This is okay. I need to push back -1 here. After all, I need to reverse this vector because it will give me the
Okay.
reverse.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm just starting from n-2 and I'm just inserting also like last value in my stack,
Mm-hmm.
which is like array of 1 - 1. Now I can remove this if condition. So that what I am doing here from here is if I need to find from here like a greater element from the stack. While my answer, while my stack is not empty, st.empty. I'm just writing the code for that. If st.top, the topmost element, st.top is like sorry, greater than my current element. What is my current element is? My current element is I. If my answer is greater than this, then I no need to traverse more. I am just directly push this element in my vector. Answer.pb st.top. Okay. Else what I have to do? I need to remove the topmost element. st.top. Okay. I had just popped my topmost element, which is like which is not gonna helpful for the further step. Now what I have to do, I had to like nothing I have to do from here. If I find my solution, I need to just break from here. Okay. Okay. After if a no element, I will find the if at the end of the while loop, if the no element will find which is greater than, so I had to check if st.empty is true. If it is true, then I need to push -1. So for that, if I write this, I know don't I need to write this case. Okay, I'm just iterating from last element. If stack.empty is true, then what I have to do? I need to push my answer -1. After that, I'm just reverse my vector. And return my answer. I'm just checking one more time what I had done, all the things in this vector. I'm just changing my nonce vector as array vector because I write down all the values. Array. Yes, yes, it is seems like good enough.
So where you push your stack, because you are pushing only one time into your stack.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Hmm.
You have to.
Okay, okay, I have to just push that element also. Sorry for that. Yes, yes, this is gonna help.
Okay, if it's possible. Okay, please dry run this code. I'm just please dry run this input.
Okay, so while I'm iterating from the right side, I need to take my stack also. This is my stack. While I am at the rightest most possible, like the rightest element, I'm iterating the I'm initially got the empty link, empty stack,
Yes.
and this is gonna true for the like if condition is gonna true. I'm just inserting the -1 in my answer. I have to take answer vector -1. Again, I am at the second and push for my last element is like 3 here.
Yes.
Okay. Again, add the second of element which is 1. I'm just checking whether my stack is empty or not. It is not empty. If the topmost element is greater than array of I, I can find the topmost element is greater, which is like 3. Then I need to push it my answer vector, which is like -1 and 3 right now. Okay, and while I am find that, I need to break that. Okay, again at like and now I am on the 0. Okay, I also pushed my 1 value 1 in my stack. Now I am on the 0th element, like element value which is 0. I am finding the topmost element. Topmost element is like 1 here. Is it greater than that value? Yes, it is greater than that value. I'm just pushing my answer. Now 1 in my answer vector, which is 1. Now also I'm posting my value in my stack, which is 0. While I'm at the 8, I need to find the topmost element. Is it greater? No, it is not greater. I need to remove this from stack. I just remove. Again, I had to check, is it greater? Not, it is not greater. I need to remove this. Again, I check, it is greater. Is it greater? Not, it is not greater. And then I just insert my -1 here because I didn't find any value. Okay. Again at my and I'm just put my last element, which is 8. Now I am at the sixth element at the value which is 6. And I'm just checking the topmost element is greater than. Yes, it is greater than. I'm just put my topmost element which is 8 in my answer. Yes,
That's
this one.
that's great, Ankit. So, what do you think about the time complexity?
I think any like if any array which is like any descending order, it will gonna like taking any square, I think, because I need to check at every like I need to insert first of all. I need to remove all the elements,
Yes.
so that's why it is taking some like almost n square actually. But in average case, while I'm finding the my element at topmost of the array, it will gonna O1 of time, so that it is the average case. It will behave as a big of n time complexity.
So that's
And
great.
auxiliary space is big of n, like it can be also possible while I'm inserting all the element previous before.
That's great. I like your approach to doing this. Reach to the solution.
Nothing I had done. You just trying, like you just say like little bit. Already you have told me to the like approach how to solve this question. That's why I'm able to solve this question.
Yes. Okay, not an issue. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Have you
Yes.
taken your breakfast?
Yes. We
Do you,
will do after 1 p.m.
do you take your breakfast?
I have just like take tea only.
Okay. If you're hungry, we can take a little break.
Yes, we can take. We can do also.
Okay. We
Now
are
when we will
going
resume this?
1 p.m.
Okay, 1 p.m.
Okay.
It can be increased half an hour, because I need to take a shower also.
You want to shower? Okay, as you want.
Is there any class yours?
At 6 p.m. is my test, so I have to prepare for that.
Which subject?
It's a information theory.
Okay, you need to prepare. So how much time the test is? For how much time?
It's a 30-minute quiz test.
Can we take it like after 6:30?
Okay, no problem.
If you want, and like after 1.5, like after 1.5.
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, at 2 p.m. or 3 p.m.
No, it can be like a 1.5 after.
Uh,
After that, 1:30.
After 1:30. Okay, it's feasible for me.
Yes.
Please ping me. Please ping me a message. I'm just taking your interview.
Okay. I'm just stopping my recording also.
Okay.